This is in short. As everyone knows, the United States has officially offered F-35 fighter jets to India. Since this announcement, various narratives have emerged, with some claiming that Pakistan's acquisition of the J-35 or other advanced aircraft will become irrelevant. In today's discussion, we will analyze whether the F-35 is truly a suitable option for India and whether it can effectively counter Pakistan's J-35 acquisition. This video will be highly important, so make sure to watch till the end. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. India's tough choice, Su-57 or F-35? Currently, Russia has also offered its Su-57 stealth aircraft to India. In response, the United States has countered by offering the F-35. However, choosing between these two advanced fighter jets is a major challenge for India, as both have their own advantages and disadvantages. Russia's Su-57 offer. Russia has offered India a technology transfer deal along with local production rights for the Su-57. Additionally, Russia has assured India that if it purchases the Su-57 in large numbers, Moscow will also share its technological expertise from the aircraft's development, which could benefit India's AMCA Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program. However, India sees the Su-57 only as a stopgap solution rather than a long-term investment. The major disadvantages of the Su-57 for India are: it is not a true stealth aircraft and lacks the sensor and weapons capability to single-handedly counter China's J-20 or Pakistan's J-35. Its production line is not yet mature, and Russia is still struggling to ramp up its production rate, making it difficult to fulfill foreign orders quickly. It lacks interoperability with NATO's and Western weapon systems. Despite these issues, India would not face any restrictions from Russia on how it deploys or operates the Su-57. If India acquires this jet, it will have full control over its use in combat scenarios. The case for the F-35. There is no doubt that the F-35 is one of the most advanced stealth aircraft in the world today. It has highly capable sensors, an impressive weapons package, and a top-tier stealth design. The biggest selling point of the F-35 is its sensor fusion and network-centric warfare capability. This means the aircraft's sensors collect and fuse data to provide pilots with better situational awareness. It seamlessly integrates with land, sea, and air defense systems, allowing for joint operations with allied forces. Countries operating the F-35, such as the United States and NATO members, have fully integrated their land, sea, and air defense units with this aircraft, giving them a huge battlefield advantage. However, India lacks an ecosystem to support the F-35 because 75 to 80% of its military equipment comes from Russia or is domestically produced. This means the F-35 will not be able to function at its full potential in India's current military structure. The U.S. will impose heavy restrictions on India's use of the aircraft, including where it can be deployed. India will not be able to station the F-35 near China or Pakistan's borders, as the U.S. would not allow it. Moreover, the F-35 has been facing multiple crashes, and its production backlog means that even if India orders it today, deliveries may take 5 to 6 years. India's likely decision. If we compare the Su-57 and the F-35, India faces significant compromises in both deals. With the Su-57, India would have to compromise on capability. With the F-35, India would have to compromise on strategic autonomy. Due to these challenges, India is unlikely to finalize either deal at this moment. Instead, it will wait and watch until Pakistan officially inducts the J-35 into its air force. Once that happens, India will assess the situation and may opt for an emergency procurement. For now, Pakistan and China's stealth aircraft strategy has put India in a difficult position, making it hard for them to make a definitive decision. Let's see how things unfold in the coming months. If you have any questions related to this topic, feel free to ask in the comments. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.